Creality 3D is an innovation-based high-tech enterprise, specializing in the design, R&D production, and sales of 3D printers and 3D scanners. Headquartered in Shenzhen, the tech capital of the world, Creality 3D has branches in Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, and Dongguan. We primarily boast 3 categories of products, namely DIY, whole machine and light curing 3D printers. Creality 3D sells models Ender 3, CR10S Pro, and CT228 well globally, and stays ahead compared with the sales of competitive products. With an area of 20,000 square meters and an annual production of 500,000 units, Creality 3D prides itself on its advanced large-scale R&D center and 3D printing laboratories and 16 modern production lines, coupled with strict tests and quality control system. The excellent quality of each 3D printer is thus guaranteed, taking win-win results as a mission. Inspired by its mission of creating reality, achieving dreams, Creality 3D is committed to providing high-quality integrated 3D printing solutions for individuals, families, schools, and enterprises. We have established partnerships with Peking University, Tsinghua University, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, and other colleges and universities, and joined hands with Taiwan colleges and universities to expand the maker education market. Meanwhile, Creality 3D has engaged in exhibition and sales activities in more than 60 countries and regions, like the US, Germany, France, Japan, Russia, Indonesia, etc., making breakthroughs based on innovation, with noble qualities of integrity and innovation. This professional and practical iron team works to become a world-famous integrated 3D printing solution provider and achieve the industry dream of a national enterprise by focusing on the future of industry and every detail. Achieving great dreams. Creality 3D is unfolding its magnificent blueprint of independently innovated 3D printing undertakings. Creality 3D will forge ahead with firm determination toward brand differential development. We will pursue our dream of 3D printing leading brand to take the lead in the rise of China manufacturing industry.